fact, if you want to ask me what is the difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman, I can try to create a differentiation among that. So, say for example, if you talk about a businessman doing thing, businessmen will always think about profits. So, profit is something that defines whether you are an entrepreneur or a businessman. Businessman has one objective, to make profits, right? If you ask a businessman uh, what is the price of this product X, that businessman will calculate the profit and he will say loss making तो मैं काम ही नहीं करता, मुझे कुछ नहीं बचेगा तो मैं कैसे करूंगा, right? मेरा तो 10 रुपए का आता है, I will sell it for 11, right? So they all, have you ever seen it, whenever you go to all old markets, you buy something, they have their invoices handy of purchase. 10 रुपए का खरीदार है, मैंने तो मैम 110 का खरीदा, 120 का बेचूंगा, this is my purchase, I will make 10 rupees profits, very nominal profits, right? But entrepreneurs never think about profits. Entrepreneurs think about the impact that they will bring to the society. That's very important, right? So while we are solving problems, these problems should be the problem of the masses, and we as an entrepreneur should think about what is the impact that we are talking about, that we can bring to the market, to the society. Then if you talk about entrepreneurs, they think about value generated, and you will find out businessmen will think about मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, right? But entrepreneurs think about the value being generated, what is the value add, right? So that value is important in entrepreneurship. Another difference that entrepreneur versus businessman is, entrepreneurs have problem and solution approach. Businessmen might not even do anything, they won't be solving any problem, or they might be thinking that they are solving a problem, right? Say for example, there may be a shop which is near to the society, you go to that shop and buy the product, they are solving a problem of storage, they are storing the goods, they are providing the goods whenever you need it. But there might be a businessman, a trader who will start hoarding this and will say market mein to maal hi nahi hai, and they will start selling you for higher prices. So that is the feature and quality of a business, again, because businessmen want profits and nothing bad about it. But being an entrepreneur and the entrepreneur, when you work for a startup, you need to think like an entrepreneur, wherein you need to identify what is the change, what is your contribution towards this bigger change as an employee also. That's very important, right? When you work for a business, Lala ji ki dukaan, you will be calculating, अरे लाला जी को कितना बचा, what is my incentive, right? But when you are working for a startup, then you have to think, what is the impact, what is my contribution to that impact, how many lives I have changed through my contribution. And that's very important, having this mindset. And when you develop this mindset, automatically you will start thinking in that right fashion.